Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best push clips is probably one of the most versatile and unsung heroes in the world of fasteners, quietly holding together countless components in our everyday lives, from dashboards and door panels in our cars to the internal workings of our favorite appliances. Today, we will look into what makes a great push clip and explore some of the best options available on the market, helping you choose the perfect push retainer clips for your specific needs. Number 5. GOOACC Universal Fender Clips. Tired of broken or missing car fasteners? These clips are here to save the day, providing a universal fit for various makes and models. This kit includes 6 popular sizes, perfect for replacing retainers on doors, bumpers, fenders, and more. It's the ultimate solution for a variety of vehicles. With 200 pieces in one convenient kit, you'll have everything you need. No more trips to the auto parts store for individual replacements. These clips are made from durable, high-quality plastic, ensuring they won't break or crack easily. They are built to last. This kit contains all the most common sizes, so you'll always have the right replacement on hand. No more searching for the perfect fit. The kit includes 30 each of 6mm, 7mm, 8mm, YT 1362, and 9mm clips, 50 of the 8mm push clips, YT 3143, and 30 10mm clips. Everything you need for a complete repair. What we like. It's a large kit with many common sizes, so you'll likely find what you need. If you need to replace a lot of clips and want variety, this is perfect. It saves you multiple trips to the auto parts store, saving you time and money. What people say. The GOOACC Universal Plastic Fender Clips set includes 200 pieces of push-type bumper fastener rivet clips. These clips come in 6 different sizes, making them a versatile solution for automotive repairs. Made from durable nylon, these clips are built to last, ensuring they won't easily break or crack even under heavy use. The 6 different sizes, ranging from 6mm to 10mm, make them suitable for a wide range of vehicles and applications. They can be used to replace or fasten trim panels, interior components, and exterior parts like bumpers and fenders. Number 4. GOOACC Car Retainer Clip Set. This kit has 19 of the most common fastener clip sizes. It's great for various cars, including Ford, GM, Chrysler, and more, but you can use it on anything that fits. Made of durable nylon plastic, these clips are sturdy and won't break easily. They're far superior to cheaper alternatives. With 425 pieces in a handy box, you'll have plenty of clips for all your vehicle accessory projects. It's perfect for any DIY enthusiast. The included remover tool makes taking off car panels and clips quick and easy, preventing damage. It's easy to use, even in tight spaces. These clips are used in many applications, from cars and trucks to home appliances. They're incredibly versatile and useful to have around. What we like. This kit boasts an impressive number of sizes and a handy removal tool. If you need a wide selection of clips and want to easily remove old ones without damage, this is the best choice. The durable material ensures long-lasting use. What people say. This is great for people that work on vehicles. Old fasteners break easily, and to have an assortment like this on hand makes life easier. These clips are awesome, and there is a really good assortment of all different kinds. Quality, well-labeled and organized container. Came with a tool to remove old retainer that is of decent quality. Number 3. Sunplustrade Car Clip Kit. This comprehensive kit provides everything you need to repair your car's interior and exterior. It's the perfect solution for replacing broken or missing clips. It includes 12 of the most common sizes, ranging from 6.3mm to 10mm, ensuring a perfect fit for your vehicle. You'll find the right clip for virtually any repair. The convenient box contains detailed images and quantity information for each clip size. This makes finding the right clip quick and easy. Made from high-quality, durable nylon, these clips are built to last. They're resistant to wear and tear, ensuring a long-lasting repair. It's compatible with a wide range of vehicles, including Toyota, Honda, Acura, GM, Chrysler, and Ford. It's a versatile solution for many makes and models. With 240 pieces in total, this kit has you covered for virtually any repair. Keep it in your car or garage for quick fixes. What we like. With its well-organized box and durable clips, this kit makes the replacement process simple and efficient. If you value organization and want a durable, long-lasting solution, this is for you. The clear labeling ensures easy selection of the right size. What people say. There are a variety of sizes and types of fasteners. I bought fasteners from the parts store that were for my truck and they all failed, but the ones in this kit have been holding strong. Got these for a 2000 Ford Ranger, worked perfectly since I took out the interior to insulate it. I knew they were going to break. These fit perfectly. I have a 2016 Ford Fusion Titanium, wanted to replace the headlights and you have to take off the bumper to do so. Of course, being 8 years old, a lot of the clips were brittle and broke. This kit gave me everything I needed to put it back together correctly. Number 2. GOOACC 150 PCS Auto Clips. These clips are perfect for replacing broken or missing fasteners on your vehicle. They're made from durable nylon plastic and come in 2 sizes to fit various applications. Unlike other brands, these are built to last. The sturdy nylon construction ensures they won't easily break or crack, providing a reliable solution for your car's needs. Removing old clips can be frustrating. But don't worry. This kit includes a tough, durable tool that makes removing those stubborn fasteners quick and easy, without damaging your car's panels. It doesn't matter where the damage is. They're ideal for various parts, including door trims, bumpers, fenders, and more. They're a versatile solution for all your automotive needs. One size doesn't fit all. This kit includes 2 sizes of clips to ensure a proper fit for your vehicle. You'll find the perfect match for your car's specific requirements. Everything you need is right here. The kit includes 100 of the 8mm clips, 50 of the 10mm clips, and a handy removal tool. You're all set for any repair job. What we like. This kit focuses on 2 essential sizes and includes a robust removal tool. If you only need a couple of sizes and prioritize a strong removal tool, this is a great option. The durable materials ensure the clips and tool will last. What people say. I work on my old Chevy Equinox a lot to keep it running, always have to pry open these plastic push fasteners and they warp or break. So I ordered this bag and they fit perfect, and they come in several sizes, and packed to the brim, not a little tiny bag of nothing. Glad I purchased durable, easy to install, plenty in a pack, good sized, used on my 2012 300. Very good, comes with a lot of clips in the office as said in the description. Number 1. GOOACC GRC 34 Push Rivets. These push rivets are a must-have for car enthusiasts and mechanics. They're perfect for replacing damaged or missing. This kit includes 18 of the most commonly used sizes, ensuring compatibility with a wide range of vehicles. You'll find the right fit for your Mercedes-Benz, BMW, Toyota, and many more. They're not just for cars. These versatile clips are also suitable for various applications, from home appliances to telecom equipment. The included removal tool makes taking off old clips a breeze. It helps you avoid damage to your car's trim. Made from heavy-duty plastic and nylon, they're strong, robust, and resistant to vibrations. They won't break or crack easily. Please double-check the size, type, and shape to ensure they match your requirements. Clear picture. If you encounter any issues, such as incorrect size or shape, contact us directly. We're committed to your satisfaction. What we like. This kit offers a wide range of sizes and a convenient removal tool. If you're working on various vehicles or applications and need a versatile solution, this is ideal. The included remover makes the job easier and prevents damage. What people say. The clips were easy to install and work great. The bonus is you get lots of different size clips and several tools to help with the job. These help out a lot, pulling fasteners without damaging my 25-year-old car's plastic. I had a few fasteners break, because of their placement and age, and this kit had some that popped right in to replace them. This kit has more fastener tools than expected. Some of every kind of trim and fender well gadgets. Already attached a Toyota fender well with it. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.